In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create meeting notes in Google Calendar and Google Meet. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a student trying to stay organized, mastering the art of effective note-taking is essential. We're going to explore two powerful tools that can transform the way you handle meetings, Google Calendar and Google Meet. Perfect for those who want to streamline their workflow, these tools provide a seamless integration that makes it easy to capture all the crucial details in one place. First, let's dive into the process of creating meeting notes using these platforms. To start, you will want to head over to Google Calendar. Upon opening it, you have the choice to either create a new event or edit an existing one. Once you've made your choice, you will need to provide the basic details of your meeting, such as the meeting's title, the date, and the time. This is your opportunity to also add any guests who will be attending, and don't forget to include the Google Meet video conferencing link so everyone can join seamlessly. Next, let's move on to the section dedicated to meeting notes. Here you will want to click on Add Description or Attachments. This section is where the magic happens, as it allows you to insert key details of your meeting agenda or any important points you intend to discuss. This is perfect for setting expectations and ensuring all attendees are on the same page even before the meeting begins. As you type your description, consider structuring your notes with bullet points or numbers for clarity, even though these won't appear visually as such when spoken. If you prefer, instead of just typing out a few notes, you can attach a document. This is where choosing to attach a file or creating a new Google Doc becomes handy. By attaching a related document, you can provide participants with additional context or detailed reports that are relevant to the meeting. Finally, once everything is in place and you're happy with the setup, don't forget to click Save. Saving your event finalizes all the details, sending out invitations to your guests, and ensuring that your notes are accessible to everyone involved. Utilizing meeting notes within Google Calendar and Google Meet not only keeps you organized but also enhances communication with your team. In just a few steps, you're able to create a structured and detailed agenda that can help drive productive conversations. So there you have it, an efficient way to manage and utilize meeting notes. With this method, you're well on your way to making your meetings more organized and productive. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.